So whenever you enter these types of coins, you need to remember and understand. One of the major problem here is that even if we say na kayo ay mag-spot pero hindi kayo sanay dahil sobrang laki na naka-expose na kapital ninyo, kapag bumaba ng 0.001 yan, bibitawan mo kahit within the same day. Bibitawan mo yan dahil hindi ka sanay at the same day, hindi ka sanay makakita ng red sa spot. So whenever you enter these types of coins, you need to remember and understand that there are a lot of potential price movements that can happen on the same day. Bakit nga kamo? Syempre launch date. Alam ng lahat, alam ng merkado. The market is aware. At iisipin ng maraming tao, wala naman tayong nakitang hindi naman tumayo sa stage si Pavel Durov na nagsabi, ako ay lalaban. Wala namang ganun. Therefore, may mga nabigyan ng airdrop, karamihan dyan retailer ang nag-convert na to fiat currency. Therefore, bumagsak ang